Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me. This is a video that's just going to be about the last mark making on this particular sketch. So I've already have it painted. My initial ink marks were made, and now I'm just going to go ahead and add the finishing detail, which is, to me, my favorite part. So I'm using some micron pens, and I have a couple of markers, and I have like a really dark gray marker, Tombow, and a Tombow black. I think I'm going to use the dark gray in this particular piece. And my Tombows are not waterproof, so I have to make sure I'm completely done adding water. There are Tombows that are waterproof, so I would suggest getting those, unless you're doing a particular piece where you like the marker to run, which can be a really pretty effect. So I'm going to start off with the microns. I've got I have here a few different sizes, 01, 03, 05, and I think a 08. So I just kind of go back and forth, and I like to have different varied sizes of ink marks. And then, of course, when I'm doing a more solid, I'll use the 08 to get a little bit more coverage, and the Tombows for full coverage, which is going to be all the windows in the doors in this particular piece. That's why. And the Tombows also have a brush side and a fine point side. So I'll be using because this is a little bit more on the finer side with those windows, I'll be using the fine point side. So I just kind of pick and choose of what I want to highlight in this, and a lot of it's normally doors, windows, overhangs, shadows like under the umbrellas. In the back here there's a couple of little buildings all the way in the back, so I'm just doing a little bit of detail to draw your eye back or into the back of this particular piece. And when I painted this, I did it very loosely, and a lot of spatters, and yeah, the colors are really pretty. This is a hotel. This is a boutique hotel in Naples, Florida. And I did this painting a while back. There's a video of it, and it's a little bit more, I really love the way it turned out too. I love that one. I love this subject. I love anything with a pool and palm trees. But if you want to see this one done and painted, there's an earlier video of this that's not quite as loose. It's a little more detailed, but it turned out beautiful. So I recommend you go check that one out. Adding a little bit of the tile work to the back of the pool there. A couple little handles to the doors. And here's the Tombow. This is the fine tip point. The other side has a thicker brush point. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Just darkening on every little window. I love that really dark against the really soft hues of the watercolor. So pretty. Add a little bit of detail to the little lounge chairs. The little umbrella stand. I love pink and green together. There's a few little planters. They were kind of faded off into the back, so by just adding this little bit of detail here, that makes them stand out a little bit better. Got some curtains in the back. Just put a few folds in those. And this curtain here wasn't really there. I added that. It was kind of tucked over. So if you ever see anything and you want to embellish it, you can change it. And that's the beauty of it. There is a little table underneath this light fixture in front of that door. It's holding towels. I just left that out. And I just take a little bit of time and to see what else I want to work on. And I'm going to put in a few loose lines to look like paver tiles. And I have updated my website, so if you're interested, all you have to do is go to KarenJohnsonArtist.com. That's KarenJohnsonArtist.com, and I will be placing a lot of my artwork on there for sale. So if you're interested in anything that you've seen, not everything will be on there, just a few pieces here and there will be featured for sale. And you can see my other artwork as well. I do have a lot of things that are on sale right now that are done in oil, so please go check that out. It's a lot of fun things to look at and shop for. Lots of fun different styles, from still life to rubber duckies to abstract and the urban sketching. So I'm just about getting to the end here, and I think looking at it, it's complete. So here's my finished sketch, and yeah, it looks really nice. I love all the dark against the light and those windows. Those are my favorite things to do whenever I see an image that has those type of French doors. I always love to do those. The pool turned out great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't the full painting, it was just the last minute mark making, but it's always my favorite part. So I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also, I'll just leave a little brief list of the supplies I used in the description below that you can just hit the link if you choose to purchase. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for your time, and bye for now.